Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable Google personalized ads on this device. Alright, so firstly, to do this we have to open our settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find Google option. Now we have to click on our account. Here we have to click Google account. Here we have to click on data and privacy. And right here in personalized ads we have to click on the My Ad Center. Now we have to click on this icon right here, off. And as you can see, I have my personalized ads already turned off, but if you have them turned on, when you click here, you are gonna have here turn off where I have turn on. So just click turn off, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.